Guys, let's learn how to change date and time according to your country in your PC or laptop. Okay, this is quite very easy job. Okay, just follow the tips. Just press Windows R or type go restart menu and type control panel control and just click enter. Then here you have to find out date and time. Just click that and you can change manually like this, change date and time. You can select date according to your date and time right now, and you can change time like this. Or if you are connected with internet, then just go to internet time, then get change time, then just click update now. Okay, this Windows server will automatically update the date and time in your PC. Okay, now next thing is that how can you change time zone? Okay, if you want to change time zone according to your country, then you have to come to this this menu and you can shift from your country date and time. Well friends, I think this video help for those users who are just learning just computer. Okay, if this video helped you, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Thanks.